Hey everyone! So, thank you for tuning in. So, today I'm doing a homemade erupting volcano. It was going to be with my son. He just wants to do the erupting part, which is fine. So, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own volcano as well as make it erupt. Simple, easy, and fun for the kiddos. So, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is first make a bedding. So I'm going to take aluminum foil, lay it out, and I'm going to try and make it into like a little bedding. See if I can kind of adjust the camera. There we go. Kind of clear up my workspace. Gotta remember my mise en place. Okay, so I got my sheet of aluminum foil. So I'm going to kind of like make it into like a little bed, like a little baking tray. So you fold up one end where it looks kind of like a little background bedding. Do the other and just do it all the way around. And then do this end as well without ripping the foil. And just rip off the part that ripped. There we go. So I'm just going to fold it and fold it again. Fold it in. I'm just folding all four sides. And then I should be able, there we go. Just line it on up. So it's kind of like a little boat, kind of, at the bottom of it. So when you're done, it looks kind of like this. And then just set that off to the side. And you know what? We'll do this. I'll save this, and I'll show you guys a trick to do with the extra aluminum. Okay. Next, you're going to need a big bowl. Or at least a bowl. Okay, first you're going to need 3 cups of flour. Go ahead and pour that in. And then you're going to need 2 cups salt. 1 cup water. And, no, that's vinegar. I thought I had somewhere I had it. Somewhere I know I put my oil. Oh. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. So now that you got it all put in the bowl, you're going to mix it. You can use a spoon or a fork. I'm just going to kind of use my hands because I'm a tomboy and I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. So you want it to look like clay, basically. Feels all weird. And again, this would be something, not only is this an educational thing for kids, especially with school closures right now because of the virus, but it's something that they can get their hands dirty, but still have some family fun. Because of the vinegar for the eruption and some of the other materials, it's in the math. This would be good for parents to kind of watch and use it as a learning for the kids. Okay, so I got the dough, so I'm going to wipe off my hands. Okay. I'm going to grab my green paint very quick. Okay, so I got the paint. So I'm going to show you guys the paint I'm using. So I have two different greens. I have this one is called just regular green. It's like a lighter green, like an Eastery green. And then we got the dark green. So I'm first gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the dough. Make sure it's together. And then you're gonna need a container with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm using a Frankenstein cup. I'm gonna move the paints out of the way. So we're gonna say goodbye to Mr. Frankenstein cup. And hopefully this will work. Just kind of just go like this with it. In fact, we may not even need a cup. So I'm just going to kind of build it. And I'm going to do a little something different. Normally we would put the Frankenstein in the middle, but instead, so I got the mound, and we are going to use a knife, and I'm just going to push it all the way down, and then just use a finger while kind of still squishing the volcano. And then the pieces that fall off, you can just add it somewhere. Try not to make sure any goes in here, so if anything, just kind of squish it up against your finger. Normally you would put something in it. I like the idea of just doing it this way. Makes it more realistic for the kiddos. But it's whichever way they want, as well as whichever way you feel comfortable. Okay, so we got that done. So now I'm going to get my art plate. So I got my art plate. And I'm thinking I'm going to do brown for the volcano first. So I'm going to shake it. If you ever get paint in a bottle, always shake it. And definitely green. And I don't think I have any more food coloring. No, I don't. So we'll try it with a little paint and see if it works that way. Now this one I love. This is called metallic gold paint. It gives it like a little shimmer to it. Okay, so I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to take my volcano and I want it to be brown with a little bit of green here and there. Ooh, that ain't going to work. Oh, just pat it, okay. So if I just have to pat it, I'm going to use my brush that I do the dabbing with, and it'll go a whole lot faster. Just go all the way around, kind of. And this will be fun for the kids. You can wait till it's dry and sealed me. I'm just too excited to do it with my son. It is getting late out, so now we have to do this inside, which is fine. That's why we made a little aluminum foil boat. Whoa, okay, we have a little piece coming off. Okay, so next I'm going to do a little bit of the green, because not all volcanoes are all brown. So we just go all the way around. I'm not going to cover the whole thing, just enough to show you guys the kind of like the gist of it. And then again, I am covering the whole thing, so yeah, I think I will cover the whole thing. Okay. Now this is going to be kind of cool. I'm just going to take the red and kind of just drip a little bit. And make it look like a running volcano eruption did erupt for the molten lava. Okay. So I'm gonna get my blue paint. I'm only going to use blue paint because, as we all learn in school, volcanoes normally are what creates the land. So yeah, I'm almost out of the blue, so I'm just going to use up the last bit of it. And I'm going to use the bigger tipped to get it. And I'm just going to paint the blue water. Can you get me your phone, please, Ryan?
My phone?
Yep. This is looking really good right now. I know you guys really can't quite see it, but don't worry, I will show you guys. Makes it a whole lot more fun. And I just woke up and I'm like, I'm gonna do this.
You know what I could do? I could still ride my bike, but I could bring my...
It's too dark.
No, I have my flashlight.
Too dark to ride your bike right now. Tomorrow you can ride your bike some more, okay?
But I have homework tomorrow.
You got your phone?
I have homework tomorrow.
So as I'm doing this, I'm going to use my son's phone to take photos of our volcano, which looks pretty cool.
Can I have my soda?
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys very quickly what the volcano looks like. So far, it looks really good. A volcano ready to erupt. I love it. Okay. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use the metallic gold. This is what it looks like. And kind of just do the rim. kind of going like so. And my son says he wants to keep this, which is fine. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of grass over here. Since volcanoes are what helps to make land from what we're learning, taught in school. So now we got a little bit of land. I'm not going to give it a whole lot of land because I'm more of an ocean lover. Okay, so we got the volcano built, we got the paint, we got the base. So next, come here, Ryan. I'm going to do the eruption. And this is going to be the fun part. Kind of tilt up the camera a little bit. All right, come here, Ryan. Okay, so you need 1 ounce vinegar and the 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So, which do you want to put in, baking soda or the vinegar?
Baking soda.
Okay, so you got to put it right there in the hole.
It's going to be hard. Are we supposed to let the paint dry?
No, that's fine. Watch. Here, if you want it, there's a trick.
Oh.
I'm going to break up that fun chunk. Where is... Where's the... Oh, no. Where's the people one?
Oh.
Okay.
Now I could dump it in there.
So he's gonna use a funnel because he really doesn't want to make a mess. So watch.
Hold it.
You gotta hold it like that. You pour it in. Go.
Still a little more.
We're good. Whoa. Too much. Okay. So we got our vinegar in.
I'm not going to put that part in.
You don't want it?
No.
Okay, well I'm going to kind of push down on the baking soda.
Hold on. Let me shake this out so you could use it.
Okay. So, here we go. Here, do you want to put it in?
You can. I'll hold it.
Alright, ready? So he wants me to use the funnel. So here we go for the eruption. Oh! We didn't do a lot of it, but you can kind of see the eruption.
Let's put more in.
Oh, if you didn't, well, here, hold your phone. It's alright. If we just do this. Let's do that.
Oh, you're recording with both phones.
Well, because one's going to YouTube. My phone's putting it on YouTube. Where's the... There it is. Okay, so since he decided to put in more vinegar, or more baking soda. Nope, I'm not going to do it. So here we go. See if we can do it this way.
A lot more. More. I want to make it...
Oh, look, it looks like the molten lava is going into it.
I want to make it bigger.
Well, you would need to do a lot more. No.
Now pour it.
Alright, last time.
Pour it. Pour a little bit more, please, to make it go even higher. Whoa.
Okay, no more. Okay. So that's how you do it.
Oh, don't let the cats touch it.
Yeah, if you have cats, don't let them touch it.
Pour it.
Now, like I was showing you with this, you take this. I'm going to use this and the red paint. Paint it.
Oh, and then close the top.
No. Volcanoes have what's... No, it's not a ball. They have what's called lava rocks or rock bombs, depending on
I
who.
want to see if it'll explode out.
It won't.
I'll put it in.
So now you got a lava rock.
Put it in.
So you can put it anywhere you want.
Put it right there.
So let's see, I'm gonna try to redo the red paint. Probably gonna have to wait till it dries for me.
Yeah. Let the clay dry too now. And then when you're done, you just put more tinfoil over it. Or you move it when it's done.
I'm gonna let it dry. So that's what it looks like. So that is how you do a homemade erupting volcano. And me, I did it with my son.
Look, you guys. Pew! I need to clean my hands.
So, me, I would probably let the clay dry before you do it, but I was just so anxious to show you guys how to make it work.
And also, my mom never ate dinner.
Ignore him. So that is how you do a homemade erupting volcano. Doesn't take that long to do. Simple, easy, and fun for the kids, especially those who are interested in science like my son is. He's more interested in the chemical reaction which you get when you mix vinegar and baking soda. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you all later. Bye!